The moment we've all been waiting for. The wait is over, guys. The Samsung Galaxy S22 is finally here, and in a couple of weeks, you'll be able to get your hands on one. The new Galaxy Note, or the Note Killer, as some of you like to call it. It does pack all the bells and whistles, all the latest hardware that includes the new and more powerful chipset, even better camera modules, a brighter and more accurate display, and much more. The intensity of all the rumors of the Galaxy S22 is getting stronger since we are officially in 2022. And now, it's only a few weeks away from the official launch. Samsung has finally revealed all the colors and the final design of the phone. The S22 Ultra looks really good in the green, and bronze or rose gold colorway. Honestly, it looks virtually identical to the Note 20 Ultra, except for a different camera design. Interestingly, the S Pen will only be available in black color for all the color variants. The only change is the color of the clickable tip, which will match the color of the handset, which makes sense, since it would be visible when the stylus is stored in the device. However, there is no red color option, but maybe Samsung will bring it later or in the Fan Edition, but that will only be after a year if Samsung continues to use that formula. Rumor has it there will be a burgundy-colored S22 Ultra, but Samsung has not confirmed or denied the claim yet. We also have the official images of the regular S22 as well, and it shows off the green, pink, gold, black, and white variants of the device. Rumors suggested we would see uniform, thin bezels on the S22, and that's exactly what we see here. On the dummy reference units, we can see that the camera rings on the S22 and S22 Plus are protruding out, but that's not true because it's going to be flushed inside the camera bump, as you can see in this image. Moving forward, Samsung has improved the video recording capability, which was probably the only thing that gave iPhone a few extra points over Samsung's flagship models. Now, we can expect to see a much improved optically stabilized camera module that will greatly improve the video recording capability of the device. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will be able to record videos in 12-bit RAW format. Ice Universe, a seasoned tipster, has mentioned that Samsung has also improved the low-light capabilities using both hardware and software, but he didn't give any more specifics, so we will wait for the launch or if new updates surface. Both the handsets, the S22 and S22 Plus or Ultra, will feature a 5,000 mAh battery. And Samsung has also tipped about using an AMD GPU. In the teaser video for the launch event of the Exynos 2200, which will take place on January 11th, Samsung on Twitter mentioned that the next Exynos will use the RDNA 2 architecture from AMD, a collaboration they did 2 years ago, and says that the gaming market is about to get serious, indicating the chipset is focused on enhancing the gaming performance of the handset. Both Qualcomm and Apple have massively improved their GPU performances with their latest offerings. It will be interesting to see, will Samsung match or even surpass the benchmark set by Qualcomm? But that will be for another video. To keep track, do subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and share your thoughts. I will catch you in the next one.